How Tata Group became the fourth manufacturing partner for Apple in India, after acquiring Wistron's factory. Apple is one of the most valuable and popular brands in the world, known for its innovative and high-quality products. The company has a loyal customer base that eagerly awaits its new releases every year. However, Apple also faces some challenges in expanding its market share, especially in emerging economies like India, where its products are often seen as too expensive and inaccessible. To overcome this challenge, Apple has been investing in local manufacturing in India since 2017, when it started assembling iPhones through its Taiwanese supplier Wistron. Later, it also partnered with another Taiwanese giant, Foxconn, to increase its production capacity and diversify its product portfolio. By making iPhones in India, Apple not only reduced its import costs and taxes, but also benefited from the Indian government's incentives for local manufacturing under the Make in India initiative. However, Apple's relationship with Wistron hit a roadblock in December 2020, when workers at Wistron's factory near Bengaluru rioted over unpaid wages and poor working conditions. The incident damaged the factory's infrastructure and equipment, and also tarnished Apple's reputation as a socially responsible company. Apple suspended its business with Wistron until it resolved the issues and improved its compliance standards. This opened up an opportunity for another player to enter the scene, Tata Group. Tata Group is one of India's largest and most respected conglomerates, with interests in various sectors such as steel, automobiles, software, hospitality, retail and more. Tata Group has also been making strides in technology manufacturing, through its subsidiary Tata Electronics. Tata Electronics has been producing components such as camera modules and printed circuit boards, PCBs, for various smartphone brands, including Apple. According to Bloomberg News, Tata Group is in talks with Wistron to establish a joint venture to assemble iPhones in India. The venture would be Tata Group's latest push into technology manufacturing as it taps Wistron's expertise in product development, supply chain and assembly. The plan could result in Tata Group buying equity in Wistron's India operations or the two companies building a new assembly plant, or executing both those moves. If the deal goes through, Tata Group would become the fourth manufacturing partner for Apple in India, after Wistron, Foxconn and Pegatron. Tata Group would also join the exclusive club of iPhone manufacturers in the world, along with China, Vietnam and Brazil. This would be a significant achievement for both Tata Group and Apple, as they would strengthen their presence and competitiveness in the Indian market. According to Mashable, Apple is reportedly planning to manufacture its upcoming iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models in India, with Tata Group emerging as the potential manufacturing partner. These models are expected to be launched in late 2023 or early 2024, and would feature some advanced features such as a periscope camera and a notchless design. By making these models in India, Apple would be able to offer them at more affordable prices and cater to the growing demand for premium smartphones in the country. Apple's decision to partner with Tata Group for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus has significant implications for both companies. For Apple, it would mean enhancing its brand image and reputation in India, as it would be associated with a trusted and respected local partner. It would also mean reducing its dependence on China, where it faces geopolitical risks and regulatory uncertainties. For Tata Group, it would mean gaining access to Apple's technology and know-how, as well as expanding its customer base and revenue streams. It would also mean creating more jobs and opportunities for the Indian workforce. In conclusion, Tata Group has become a key player in Apple's manufacturing strategy in India, after acquiring Wistron's factory. The joint venture between the two companies would enable them to produce some of the most advanced and popular iPhones in the world, right here in India. This would benefit both the companies and the consumers alike.